All right, everybody, so here it is. What is the big, dirty secret that I've been hiding from you guys for months now? See, it wouldn't be classic Haggard fashion if I didn't just buy a van that worked good from the get-go. Good old Mint Van V2, boys. What do we have in store for the Mint Van V2? Before we drag this out any further, I'm gonna just rip the Band-Aid off. I bought this van with a spun cam bearing. Yes, this van, it currently runs and drives with a spun cam bearing. Before I start the thing, so you could hear the carnage happening in this engine, massive shout out to FlashArc. Check the link in the description. FlashArc has sponsored the new engine for the Mint Van V2. So big dubs in the comments for FlashArc. Massive thank you to FlashArc for sponsoring the new engine for the Mint Van V2, getting this thing up and running. 2026 is gonna be insane. All right, with that out of the way, let me start this thing for you guys. Y'all will be able to hear exactly the problem with this thing. All right, here we go. Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know how many starts this thing has left. I could start this right now just for this video and literally grenade the motor before we can even get this down to Dan's shop to do the swap. That would suck. At least right now, I can start it a couple more times, show you guys how bad it really is, and I'm hoping that after this, I can still drive it to Dan's shop so we don't have to worry about getting a tow truck, flatbedding it there, trailering it there. All right, I'm gonna start this thing. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna start this thing, but I'm gonna flip the camera and we're gonna specifically watch the oil pressure gauge right now. All right, here we go, boys. Hopefully this isn't the turn of the key that grenades the motor. Ready? Oh God, all right, all right, we got like what, 5 PSI of oil pressure, 10 PSI. That might be 20. That might be 20 PSI of oil pressure. That gauge is, oh, it's already starting to taper. It's already starting to taper, dude. Oh no. It's noisy as well. The engine is making a whole lot of noise. We'll show that in a second here, but I just want to show you guys that the resting oil pressure is literally in the red. All right, I'm gonna literally take the mic off. Frickin' 6-liter, dude, LQ4, RIP. This poor LQ4 was clearly neglected. This thing sounds extra bad from underneath the driver door. Listen to this. Well, now we got a little bit of discoloration out of the tailpipe there. As you could see, the exhaust is now chooching white smoke. I think this 6.0 LQ4 was neglected its entire life. I think they weren't doing oil changes on time. They weren't flushing the cooling system. I think they were just running this thing as a plumbing van and just using and abusing it. Let's shut this thing off before I actually grenade it by accident. So it's weird because like it runs and drives fine. Like we'll put this thing in drive, ready? We'll take off. Thing runs meh. Like how does it run and drive good, but literally as a spun cam bearing? That's just what Dan said as well. I don't know for a fact if that's true or not. I think we're gonna dissect this old engine after we swap it and see what the heck happened in this original engine. But yeah, dude, the thing runs and drives mint. So it's like, oh, dude, an engine swap, really? Really, Onion? You bought a van that needs an engine swap?
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready, yeah. What are we doing?
We're gonna go get a motor.
That quickly?
Yeah, right now.
Right now?
Right now.
We're going to get a motor?
Yep. Did you bring cash?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, part 1. What the fuck is going on in here? All right. So this is the one. This is LQ4?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, I just paid for the LQ4 out of that Hummer chassis and they're gonna pull it for us and we gotta come back for it tomorrow. So we will just skip all the drama and cut right to there.
All right.
Getting ready to load her up, dude. Mint Van V2's new heart. Oh, 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 oh. Yo, that's his daily.
You might have to back up a little more. All right.
All right, boys, big shout out to Flash Arc. Check the link in the description. I have a link to their header page. See if they make headers for your car.
I just fucked that up completely because
What?
the fucking microphone stuck to it.
See if they make headers for your car or your engine swap. They got a ton of stuff on the website. Link in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and let's just mock up. I have the passenger side of the headers here. Dan has the driver side of the headers here. Let's go ahead and just see how the engine looks. All right, so there is the mock-up of the passenger side, and they look absolutely beautiful. Big dubs in the comments. Looking good, dude. We're making moves. Big shout out to all the super subs. All right, there it is. We got the Flash Arc headers mocked up. We're also gonna mock up the Flash Arc intake setup. All right, there she is. The Flash Arc intake, ladies and gentlemen, link in the description. See if they make an intake kit that fits your car as well. There it is. We got the full bolt-on Flash Arc LQ4 6-liter setup. Check the links in the description and see what Flash Arc makes for your vehicle. This is epic. Tell me,
good.
that looks fire, dude. You were the one that originally at least put the seed in my head that it was a spun cam bearing. Why do you think it's a spun cam bearing? Because we haven't opened it. We don't know what it actually is.
It's more of a guess than anything, but the thing is so tired and so hurt.
Chuck has made a guest appearance, dude. What's up, dude? What do you think of Mint Van's new engine and headers and intake and all that good stuff? Looks good, right?
So anyway,
Yeah. Thanks, Chuck, for the surprise visit.
Yep.
Do you think the shot LQ4 out of that van is savable for
Yeah,
like a
oh yeah.
future race car?
fuck yeah.
So you think we now have a good spare LQ4 sitting around?
It's all we gotta do is send it to the machine shop and he'll fix whatever it is.
Okay. If it is a spun cam bearing, what's the machinist repair for that? A line hone and a
Yeah.
new bearing install?
If it needs it, yeah. Could be a bunch of different things, but to take that thing apart and mess with it and all that is gonna cost you significantly more
Than just a plop
than
in.
our 60,000 mile piece of machinery
Yeah,
right here.
dude, out of an H2, dude, we got a Hummer engine.
Hummer.
Mint Van V2 gets a Hummer engine. All right, boys, I hope y'all enjoyed episode 1, Mint Van V2. We picked up the new 6-liter LQ4. We got the Flash Arc headers, the Flash Arc intake, couple little, life updates. I'm gonna start posting some of the hood certified classics on the Haggard Garage channel. Realistically, only 100 of them are like fire, the hood classics that y'all love. For like the next couple months, I'm gonna re-upload only the certified bangers. The rest of it is all just kinda, they were shit videos back then. They're still shit videos today. We don't need those. I will re-upload the classic bangers on the OG Haggard Garage channel, so check that out. Also, I am hiring a new editor. I actually need multiple editors, dude. Editor Matt left us. He would do little side jobs
Yep,
for me here
he's
and
living the
there.
dream now.
He's living the dream. He's out there working for Cletus. I now need a new editor. Link in the description if you want to edit videos for Onion from Hagnar. I am hiring. I am willing to pay people money. I have already paid tens of thousands of dollars to my editors, and there's tens of thousands of more dollars for you. Please edit some shit for me. Thank you. Links in the description.
I think I fucked the whole clip up and just standing here awkwardly. I don't know what to do with my hands.
All right, on that note, we'll wrap this up. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you for everyone that has sponsored via gifted subs, all that good stuff.
Well, once we get it here, I really only have like 2 days to get it done, get it the fuck out. So
Yeah. All right,
we'll get it ready.
Yeah, we'll
plan
get there
it
when
out,
we get there, yeah.
and we're gonna make it happen.
All right, boys. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, big dubs in the comments for Flash Arc. Peace out. We'll catch you on part 2.